BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I am your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 74 of season 3. Today's word is impeccable. The meaning of impeccable is perfect, flawless, in accordance with the highest standards. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word impeccable. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Impeccable is spelled as I-M-P-E-C-C-A-B-L-E. The word impeccable is used to indicate something which is perfect or as per highest level of standards. For example, we can say that the food served at a certain restaurant is impeccable. Listen carefully how we can use the word impeccable in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Nayan joined Magic's studio as a web designer. The first website designed by him was impeccable and were appreciated by all. Example number 2 of 8. BB Events got a contract to manage the wedding reception of a Hollywood star. The event managers worked round the clock and set up an impeccable event. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. Pariniti returned to her city after completing graduation from a business school. A party was thrown to welcome her. In the party, her confidence and impeccable manners were appreciated by all. Example number 4 of 8. Millions of tourists visit Dubai each year. The impeccable infrastructure in Dubai supports the heavy traffic of visitors. The tourists also admire the theme parks, beaches, and the Burj Khalifa Tower. At BM English Speaking, we conduct English fluency courses at our training centers in Mumbai. And yes, we also conduct online courses in English fluency for you. To know more about these courses, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Udita was selected to sing the welcome song at the annual day function. She practiced sincerely under the guidance of a music teacher, and during the annual day function, her performance was impeccable. Example number 6 of 8. Sean fell in love with Sanskrit language during his visit to India. He decided to enroll for classes and learn the language. At the end of 2 years, everyone was amazed to hear his impeccable pronunciation of Sanskrit. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. Mr. Deshmukh's shop used to get flooded with rainwater during the monsoon. Finally, he decided to move the clinic to a newly launched business center. The amenities there were impeccable and he could run his business smoothly. Example number 8 of 8. Today, many of us use online financial transactions. There are many service providers for this purpose, but customers choose the one who can provide them with impeccable service levels. Today we learnt the word impeccable, which means perfect, flawless, or in accordance with the highest standards. Can you frame 3 sentences with impeccable and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 74 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.